Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. So here I'm doing a voiceover of this amazing, a simple 2-bedroom house that you see over here. It has been completed. So I'm going to have a house tour and then I show you how amazing it was. So initially this house we renovated. It was like a rental, but we renovated it into a beautiful simple 2-bedroom. So here we have a front porch that is over here. Like you can see, we decided to have at least a beautiful entrance of this balcony. And then like you can see, our tiles are much giving. Like you can see, you can think that there are woods, like in that sense of wood. So this is the entrance towards this room. Like you can see, their door is open, so there is a 2-in-1 door. Like you can see over there, the tiles here, entire tiles are white inside this house. So this is the beautiful corridor that welcomes us towards this amazing house. So like you can see over there, we have already done our electrical working, and then even I think now everything is done, even maybe only let's say like wardrobes and kitchen cabinets only. So like you can see there, that is our long corridor that is over here, that welcomes you from the first from the door, and then you into the entire house. So I will let you towards our sitting room, and then I show you how it was. So on this other side, this is another second corridor that link us towards the first bedroom and the master bedroom. So like you can see there, we have done our electrical part, our interior designing. Our tiles are of same color, they're white, even though they have some decors that you will see on the video. So this is the sitting room of this house. Like you can see, it's quite amazing, and it's quite accommodative. It is so spacious. It can accommodate like even 20 people. So like you can see, there's a serving window that is over there that communicates towards our kitchen. And then our interior design for electrical work we have already done, even though it's not yet complete, that electrical part, but we are almost there. So this is the centerpiece chandelier that you see over there. It changes its colors, but if you have a remote, so I couldn't manage to get the remote. So this is a wall bracket. It is a 3-in-1 bracket, and it is an LED that we install it over here. So there are 3 in this room, like you see over there, and then that is the centerpiece, guys. Like you can see over there, it has an LED option for the surrounding, and you can put some bulbs inside there, and then if you put it on, you can just select the part you want. So this is the tiles. Like you can see, we have already installed our tiles, like you can see over there. So the tiles are of same design, except in the first bedroom, I think it's only the first bedroom, the tiles are not of same design. So this is the arc that led us towards this sitting room, and then the centerpiece. So that chandelier, I've showed you, it changes its color. Like you can see there, we have put it off and then on, and then as you switch it off and on, it changes its color. So we end with this, and then there's a fan that we installed there, and then that is the second wall bracket. Like you can see, it will change its color over there. So it was on white, and then that is on blue, and then that is a blue, and there is blue and white is a combination. Then that is white, let's say a white, but it's not that much white, brighter. And then there's a fan over there. It's a roach that will be stabilizing our temperature inside this house. And then the downlights are even changing. They are 3-in-1 color. They changes the color as you put it off and on. And then the snake lights are already operationalized. Like you can see over there, it's working And then our windows, guys, we have installed our sliding window, and then like you can see here, they are different. There is a colored window, sliding window, and then our grills, we have already installed it over there. So guys, if you want such kind of house, or maybe any idea, you can consult us. We can just negotiate, and then we build for you. So our number I will put out there, and then even if you want, you can our number, it's on our bio. So that is the serving window that will be communicating with our kitchen. Like you can see there, it's that is the kitchen, but even though the view is well on the when you using that serving window. So that is our CCU, our consumer control unit, that will be controlling our entire house. And then so I will lead you towards our kitchen, and then I show you. So our kitchen is over there. We have already done our plumbing work. The only thing that is remaining here, it is like it's only wardrobes kitchen, the higher cabinets and the lower cabinets that will be installing there at the end of the day. So the kitchen, it's all we have already done. And then like you can see there at the center, we place it only a simple hanging a ceiling rose with its bulb. And then the tiles, like you can see, it's quite impressive. And then we have not yet done there. We will come later and then install our cabinets there. And then that's our worktop, like you can see over there. We have placed it our tiles. Then that's the sink that will the owner of this house, or even if you want to put like a rental, you'll be using you'll be using that, like you can see over there. So that is the tap that will be operating, that will be used on this sink when maybe you are cleaning or rinsing your house. And then the windows, even they're of sliding, like you can see. And then our grills are of same size and design. There's the door that lead us out towards our kitchen. So I will lead you to the first bedroom, and then later on the master bedroom. So our first bedroom, like you can see there, we just went with a flat ceiling design. We didn't just do much interior design. We installed the fan in a centerpiece of which is a bulb, and the bulb in the ceiling rose. So the tiles I've told you earlier is of different, and then like you can see there, that is the tiles. And then the paint is of different design with the other one. And then this is the window for our first bedroom. Like you can see, they're of same design, everything, even the color of the glass, it is a colored glass. So this is the master bedroom. And not so this is the small corridor that we pulled it over here so as to separate between the first bedroom and the second bedroom of which is the master. So this is the house, this is the master bedroom. Even this one, we didn't just decorate it, we even just went to the flat ceiling design, and then install it a wall brackets, of which there were 3, and then a full moon at the top, and then a fan at the center of the house. So like you can see there, that is the first wall bracket, and then there's a fan there, and then there's a full moon. So both of them, they changes its color. So that is the warm, and then that is on white with the warm, and then even you put it off and then on, will turn it to white. And then so those are wall bracket. So like you can see, this is the second wall bracket, so that is a blue. Like you can see, all of them are on blue. And then if you put it on, off, and then on, it will just come to bluish and white. So it will be a combination of blue and white, and then that is only white. So I think the owner went with the design for your blue in color. So this is the window, like you can see, it's quite it's quite big, spacious enough to have the natural light towards this master bedroom, and then the small part that you see there, that is the dressing room, and then that is our toilet. Even though it's not just much big, but it's quite, I think we just did an extension for this toilet. So we have done our tiling, even though at upper part we have not yet done, but we'll put it there later. So that is the shower that they'll be using on this, and then that is the tap, and then this is the toilet that they will be using on this amazing project. So guys, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment, and then like you can see, I think it was running. I think they have locked the water. Guys, consider subscribing, like, share, and then let's meet on the next video.